Hi, my name is Julie Henning and I work for Cognitopia. Today I'm going to show you how to access a portfolio that's been shared with you and make it your own. The first thing you want to do is log into your Cognitopia account and open the MyLife tool. Once you're in MyLife, you'll want to select the options menu. It's in the upper right hand corner, and once it's open, select Manage Portfolios. Right now I'm logged in as our demo character, Paul. He's a job coach, and the portfolio extended school year has been shared with him by his colleague, Pam teacher. In order to make a copy in his own portfolio area up here, you want to click this copy button. Are you sure you want to make a copy, your own copy of Pam teacher's portfolio extended school year? Yes, I do. And the portfolio I just copied shows up now in my portfolio area, Paul's portfolio area. And if I want to make it a little bit less, if I want to make it more my own, I can go ahead and click on this name, give it a new name, rename it, and close this window. Now I see this portfolio's new name. If I want to switch to view the new portfolio, I can click on that in the Manage Portfolio window, and it's my own copy. In the next video, I'll show you how to share this with people you're connected to, in this case, Paul's clients or his students.